Yes! Yes! Yay!
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a snow squall warning for southeastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Vienna Center to near Salem, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become
Thank you,
difficult and
Lord.
potentially dangerous
We've
with
got
the
almost 9
This
snow
will affect
squall
portions of
warnings.
I-80, I-76, I-680, and S-422. Locations impacted include Youngstown, Salem, Columbiana, Boardman, Niles, Campbell, Hubbard, Canfield, Vienna Center, Hilltop, Maplewood Park, Austintown, Struthers, Girard, Vienna, McDonald, Poland, Ellsworth, New Middletown, and Lowellville. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.